Welcome to your French class. In today's class, we will learn les articles indéfinis. So, les articles indéfinis has three cases: un, une, des. Un is written for all masculine cases, une for feminine, des for plural. Now, what does un mean? Here, French counting starts with un to say number one. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. In this way, we speak French counting to say 1, 2, 3, 4. So, number one is un. So, when something is one, means something is singular, we say un. Like a boy. In English, we say a or an, a boy, an apple, or one girl, one boy. Here, we'll say un garçon, a boy, or one boy, une fille, a girl, or an apple, une pomme. They means some. When you don't want to define the number of things you have, then we change un and une with des. Like some boys, des garçons. Now we'll see the exercise. Question 1. Complétez avec les articles indéfinis. Un, une, des. First, we'll see all the masculine words. These all are masculine words. How do we identify if the word is masculine or feminine? So the basic rule says if the word ends with E, the word might be feminine. So here 80% of the words you will find which are ending with E are feminine. But we do have irregular cases. We do have some words which might end with E but are masculine. Here, the list of words which you see are all masculine words. We do not have E here at the end. So, we write un stylo, a pen, un crayon, a pencil, un cahier, a notebook, un ballon, a ball, un ami, a friend, un oiseau, a bird, un cadeau, a gift, un vélo, a cycle, un avion, a plane, un garçon, a boy. Now we'll see how to write these words in plural form. Plural words will always end with S or X. So we'll always see S or X written at the end of plural words. As we have already learned, un and une are for masculine and feminine, and for plural words, we have they for saying some. Des stylos, some pens, des crayons, some pencils, des cahiers, some notebooks, des ballons, some balls, des amis, some friends, des oiseaux, some birds, des cadeaux, some gifts, des vélos, some cycles, des avions, some planes, des garçons, some boys. Now we'll see the feminine words. Here, all the given words are ending with E. We have already discussed the majority of the words are ending with E when they are feminine. So, une fille, a girl, une voiture, a car, une valise, a suitcase, une femme, a lady, une amie, a friend, une tasse, a cup, une robe, a dress, une gomme, an eraser, une lettre, a letter, une rue, a street. Now we'll see the plural forms of these words. Now, these all words are ending with S, which shows these are all plural words. So, des filles, some girls, des voitures, some cars, des valises, some suitcases, des femmes, some ladies, des amis, some friends, des tasses, some cups, des robes, some dresses, des gommes, some erasers, des lettres, some letters, des rues, some streets. Now, here we have got a list of words which are all ending with E, but they all are masculine. So, we should always be more focused for these words like legume, livre, cartable. These are all ending with E, but they all are masculine. A legume, a vegetable, un livre, a book, un cartable, a school bag, un dictionnaire, a dictionary, un vocabulaire, a vocabulary, un exercice, an exercise, un cartable, a school bag, un anniversaire, a birthday, un disque, a disc, un verre, a glass, un homme, a man, un oncle, an uncle, un frère, a brother, un père, a father, un journaliste, a journalist, un touriste, a tourist, un problème, a problem, un théâtre, a theater, un immeuble, a building, un village, a village. All these words were having E at the end, but they all were masculine. Now, here we have got some more words which are irregular. Here we don't have E at the end, but these words are feminine. Une maison, a house. Une saison, a season. Une raison, a reason. Une leçon, a lesson. Une question, a question. Une télévision, a television. Une profession, a profession. Une station, a station. Une fleur, a flower. Une couleur, a color. Une radio, a radio. Une photo, a photo, a photograph. Une moto, a motorbike. Une villa, a villa. Une sœur, a sister. So now we have learned words which are not ending with E but are feminine, and also the words which were ending with E but were masculine. So always be focused for these words. And always remember, we never use indefinite articles when we talk about a person's profession or religion. So that's it for the day. See you in the next class.